Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can apply for monetization on Facebook page. Now before applying for monetization, you need to know that you need to have at least more than 10,000 followers on your Facebook page and have 50,000 post engagement and 18,000 watch hour. And this 18,000 watch hour and 50,000 post engagement needs to be within 60 days. Every 60 days it's going to be resetted. So if you have fulfilled that criteria, you can click on menu at the bottom right of the screen, and over here what you need to do is click on where it says professional dashboard. Now I'm currently logged in into my Facebook page account already, that's why I can see professional dashboard. So make sure you're inside your Facebook page account as well. Now once you're inside your professional dashboard, just scroll all the way down, and under tools the first option says monetization. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you if you're eligible for monetization or not. So at my top it shows me not yet eligible. That means I am not eligible for monetization because I haven't fulfilled the criteria yet. But if your criteria are fulfilled, then at the top it's going to show you eligible. From there you can apply for your monetization on Facebook page. So that's how you guys can apply to monetize your Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.